हाय गाइस, वो ठंडी लग रही है बहुत। चाय हो जाए और या फिर चाय हो जाए।
Hi guys, I'm Sanika and today we are doing who has the best tea time order.
Chai time for me. Oh my god, I love my chai.
Chai time for me is a concept which is 4 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. You can eat, drink whatever in that time, but that's chai time.
More than the tea, it's about the quality time that I spend over tea. Like even if it's just me myself, I'm not working, I'm not watching reels also. I'm just sitting, maybe looking at the sunset.
Sipping on some tea, like dipping my biscuit in the tea.
I love the process also of making a tea. How the tea boils, then you put some chai patti, then you put adrak.
I add 2 elaichi pods to all my chais. That's just called luxury living, darling.
It cannot be plain doodh wala chai. It needs to have something more to it, either adrak, elaichi or something which is a little strong.
My chai time favorites are what this entire country loves, which is chaat. Like chaat is bang on 4 p.m. snack. My chai time order is jhalmuri and a black tea.
Oh my god, is this jhalmuri?
I've never had jhalmuri before and I want to have it. I've never had black tea before but I do not want to have it.
Chai and chaat go really well. It's like the perfect chai time break.
I love jhalmuri and I know what jhalmuri tastes like. So this person is gonna have a really hard time.
This is Vishal's order trying to be like, oh, I love street food. I love regional street food. Oh, it's not pani puri, it's puchka.
It smells like that, you know, the raw onion taste, which I love.
This looks very yummy. This also has it has chana in it.
I see a lot of chili.
There's dhania in it, which I love. I have a secret dhania appreciation club. If you want to join that, just write dhania unlimited in the comment section down below.
I'm gonna take a lot.
This is very tangy. This has a lot of flavor.
The spices are something that I've never had before, so I really like the taste.
I think there are a lot of things they got right, but they got this major thing wrong. That jhalmuri needs that, like a little bits and pieces of boiled potato in it. Aloo to jaan hai Bengali culture ke liye. Assamese culture ke liye aloo matlab.
It's like a dry bhel with wet ingredients dried. Like the chana is boiled, but it's dried. Like it feels like it's it's like dehydrated.
Black tea is supposed to be doodh wala chai.
रास्ता बनाने के लिए जो तार नहीं होता है, जो गरम गरम ऐसे रास्ते में डालते हैं, उसके ऊपर फिर बुलडोजर चलता है, वो लग रहा है ये.
What if after this I'm like, oh, I only have black tea, no milk, no sugar.
Anyway, let's try this tar chai. This is not the chai of my choice. I like my chai with milk.
It's really refreshing for some reason.
This is not an office break. This is going to give you more stress.
I don't know. I love jhalmuri, but this is not the best jhalmuri. This is decent jhalmuri. So I'm gonna give this a 7 out of 10.
A 7 on 10.
I think I would rate this a 7 out of 10. My order is lemongrass chai, khandvi and Chinese samosa.
Just looking at it, I'm like, I have walked into a Gujarati household because khandvi and this patti samosa is very, very Gujarati. I love it.
मैंने खांडवी जिंदगी में नहीं खाया.
Khandvi is my favorite snack.
Let's try खांडवी.
I love food that doesn't need chewing. It just dissolves in your mouth and you just need to be like, you just need to swallow it. Bus.
It's giving me bamboo shoot को ऐसे गांठ के boil किया है.
I don't know how people get it this light and fluffy. It's so good.
I love the chutney. Hello. Next, I'm going to this Chinese samosa.
It looks like a spring roll. How is it a samosa?
What is so Chinese about this? And why is it a samosa? Chinese people don't eat samosa. They like Indian samosa.
All right, let's see what's inside the samosa first. I feel like it's going to be some noodles type thing. Oh, it's not noodles, it's aloo.
Why did I call it samosa? They should call it Chinese, like a Chinese peda or something, because this is so sweet.
If you ask me if I like normal samosa or this samosa, I think I would prefer normal samosa.
The samosa is reminding me of my childhood because this is exactly the kind of samosa you would get in Gujarat.
It's time for the lemongrass chai.
Ooh, very taza hole.
I love this chai. I love it. I love it.
The aftertaste of the lemongrass is there. I thought, oh, kya ye acha hai? And then lemongrass just came, but I don't like it. I like my adrak masala. It should feel like punch.
The execution is so pristine. It's so immaculate. Pots breaking, cultures resetting.
If there was no milk, I would love it, but the lemongrass is making this tolerable. So I am overall quite liking whatever's going on here. I think I'll give this a 7 on 10.
7 on 10.
I'm gonna give this order an 8 out of 10. My order is elaichi chai, good day cashew and aloo bhujia.
It's a very like, oh, you're coming home right now? Like in 2 minutes? Wait. I'll just make some tea for you and I'll make some snacks. And this is the order.
The biscuits take me back to when I used to have Mari biscuit and Parle G dipped with the chai.
I will say I hate elaichi, so I know I'm probably not going to like this chai, but I'll still try it anyway. Yeah, knew it, hated it.
I think elaichi is such a strange ingredient. Chai mein hai to badi mast hai, biryani mein hai to chhi. I feel like elaichi sometimes.
Any kind of weather, any kind of setting, I think elaichi chai is the best.
I like my chaha kadak. Like that's how I would like to describe it. Ki chai kadak honi chahiye, and this is a kadak chai.
Let's dip the biscuit in the chai.
I think this is not the right biscuit with this chai. It gets too soggy too soon. You're always scared that it might just fall inside, which is not the kind of stress you want when you're having chai.
I've had Good Day biscuit, but I never go for Good Day biscuits. It's always Parle G, then Mari, then Rusk, then butter, like the butter, then the khari, then never Good Day biscuits.
This I can get behind. I feel like even if I don't drink the chai, I like dipping biscuits in it.
The next thing is aloo bhujia.
Oh, this is the red packet one, the minty one, not the orange packet.
I think I would go for this combination again.
It's so homely and comforting. So only for that reason, I'll give this order a 6 on 10.
A 6 on 10.
I would give this an 8 out of 10.
My order is masala chai and masala Maggi.
Somebody's trying to comfort food their way out of life. Like this is what it's giving.
Kiska basic order hai? Kaun Manali jai? Is this Manali? Why would you come to a competition with this order?
I feel if you're having chai which is hot, then you need something a little cold or something room temperature, nothing which is hot, and cold Maggi doesn't taste nice.
इससे अच्छी मैगी मैं बना सकता हूँ. चल मैगी बहुत बनाया मैंने, सालों साल मैगी बना रहा हूँ मैं. इससे अच्छा मैगी मैं बना सकता हूँ.
Why do we even taste Maggi in these videos like we don't know the Maggi taste at all?
The look, the texture, devastating. The taste, the aroma. Now that's what is gonna sell this Maggi.
This is a little bit more towards the overcooked side, which I actually kind of like.
It's not spicy, it's not hot, but there's something different that I probably might not be able to recreate. I think this is ginger tea or something like that. Oh, this is masala tea. Okay. Oh, now I get it. It's like a masala tea and masala Maggi.
Okay, solid masala chai.
This is not a combination that I would have unless it's winter.
It's sending me back to the Himalayas. It's sending me back to the hills.
Okay, I mean, I don't know what to say because Maggi is great. I love Maggi. And this masala chai is also it's decent. Together, sure. I mean, I guess they are good.
Something about this order I just cannot explain, but I love.
Because it's a classic, nostalgic order, I'll give this a 5 on 10.
I'm gonna give this order an 8 out of 10.
Because the Maggi is made exactly like how I like it, I think I would rate this a 7. I knew it. I knew the Chinese samosa would do it. That is something that I've just found out and it's the best. It's from Punjab Sweet House and nothing can beat that. And lemongrass chai is something which is a little different, so I expected to win.
If you liked our chai time video, तो कभी हमको भी चाय में बुला लो.
We love chai, but we love some gossip too. So spill some tea in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to BuzzFeed India.